5 myths about building good credit. Number 1, paying cash for everything will help you build your credit score. This is absolutely false, absolutely untrue. You do have to use credit to build credit. Number 2, having too many credit cards will hurt your credit score. Absolutely false. Zero reason that this will hurt your credit score. That being said, opening up lots of them without doing anything, not utilizing them, and just shortening your credit history per card is a bad thing. Number 3, checking your credit will hurt your score. That's absolutely false. If you just check the score, it is counted as a soft pull, meaning it will not hurt your credit. Doing a hard pull using something like a car loan or a house loan will affect your credit score. Number 4, you should close accounts after paying them off. Absolutely false. You should keep them open, leave the line at 0, keep your credit utilization at a lower amount. If you have $10,000 you can use on your credit cards across all of them, let's say, and you close one of your accounts and now you only have $5,000 of credit utilization available, then your utilization goes up and your credit score goes down. Number 5, you need to carry a balance to build your credit score. This is the biggest one I've ever heard, and a lot of times when people buy cars, they are sold this lie. It's absolutely untrue. Just having the credit, using the credit, and then paying it off before any cycle hits is totally doable and will continue to increase your credit score without having to pay late fees, interest fees, or anything else like that. You can use your credit and never pay an interest ever.